lab manual. So we basically we already did it. So this whole thing, you guys. So for review, what is this right here? This whole thing. This is your renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle consists of
Shell.
Which is
the shell, the glomerular capsule. Glomerular capsule. I'm not going to ask you for like the cells or anything like that. So just the glomerular capsule.
is
And
the shell.
It is the shell.
Okay.
And then the glomerulus, which are the capillaries. Capillaries are called the glomerulus. Okay. That's these guys.
Can you say glomerular capillaries too?
Yeah.
Or is that-
Yeah. You could. Glomerular capillaries. Yeah. Glomerular. Okay, but look at this. Here are your arterioles, and one is significantly
Greater, which is
greater
the
in diameter than
afferent.
the other. So the bigger one is your
Afferent.
afferent. So the answer would be afferent arterial, and then the skinny
Afferent.
one is your
Afferent.
afferent arterial. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the whole thing 5. So that's 5 terms right there. And this then is the beginning of your. This is the PCT then, the beginning of the PCT. Here's the filter. The filter would be like in here.
The what? The not blood.
These little tomatoes here, those are the these right here. So the
corpuscle?
renal corpuscle. Okay. Pay attention, you guys, because some are facing this way and some are facing this way. So don't just read left to right. Okay, don't just go from over here and say, okay, well, here's the tube, so the first part must be the PCT, and then the last thing is the DCT. Because this one here, this is right to left. You see what I'm saying? Just start with the tomato and then work your way. So this here then is so then this loop-de-loop here is your PCT. The green. Looks like the green on this one. The green on this one is all the green. Oh, well, not all the green, but is your PCT. Okay. The same thing, I believe. Also, just pay attention to where your renal corpuscle is, because if it's here, I'm pointing to it here, then this is all the way on the right. Then, or wait, what is this? Yeah. So all the way on your right is the PCT. I guess so is. Oh yeah. See, this one is left. See, this one starts left. See that? So make sure you always start with the renal corpuscle, then follow from there. Okay, guys? Because if we do it this way, here's your renal corpuscle, and then your PCT, and then this is the descending limb of the nephron loop, ascending limb of the nephron loop, and then this little convoluted part here. This is your distal convoluted tubule. Oh, could you guys write it out, please? Write it out. And then your collecting duct. And don't worry about papillary. I won't ask you. So just collecting duct.
So what's convoluted about it? Because
Oh, it's because it's convoluted. It's twisted.
It goes everywhere.
Yeah. But see, that's this one. Now this one over here, it seems to be going backwards because it's here's the collecting duct here.
Mhm.
So okay guys? So just careful, don't say that, oh, this is a PCT when it's actually DCT or vice versa, okay? Start with your little thing and then work your way, okay? By the way, this is the pyramid down here. So here's the pyramid and here's the cortex up here.
And then the column.
So these must be juxtaglomerular.
Juxtamedullary.
Yeah. Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. All right, what do we got here? It's the kidney. Kidney. What's this thing right here?
Renal artery.
This is your ureter.
Oh,
This is your ureter right here. Okay?
reader.
Ureter.
Your readers.
What is that?
Ooh.
Huh?
Ew.
That's the pelvis. Where is it sitting inside of? In the hilus. Okay. Hilus, hilum. Alright, what is this? Say the whole word.
Renal cortex.
Renal cortex. What is this area here?
Looks like you're
Renal medulla. Renal medulla. Alright, what's this guy here?
Renal pyramid.
Renal pyramid. Column. Pyramid. Can't really see the columns very well in this one. This one here. Here's a column here. Here's a column here. Okay, see them alternating? Alright, very good. What is okay, what's this little guy right here?
Minor.
calyx.
Very good. This is the minor calyx. Minor calyx. On this model, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minor calyces. Okay. And what would you call like right here?
Major one?
Major. Two dumping into one. So here's a major calyx here. Here's another. I would call this a major calyx. But down here, where they all merge, we call that's the pelvis. Okay, sitting inside the hilus. And then the red is your renal artery. The blue here is your renal vein. That's it. That's it.
Good lab.
Are you gonna post a list of all the terms